Hi, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm good too. It's a nice day, right?
Yes, the weather is cool and bright.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept well. What about you?
A little late, but I feel fresh now.
That's good.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had bread and milk.
Nice.
I had fruits and tea. Fruits are healthy. You eat well.
Yes, I try to stay healthy. Do you go for a walk every day?
Yes, I walk in the park each morning.
That's great. Do you go alone?
No, sometimes my friend joins me.
That's fun. Do you talk while walking?
Yes, we talk about many things,
Like what?
like movies, food, and daily life.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love romantic and funny movies.
Me too.
They make me happy.
Which is your favorite movie?
I like Three Idiots. What about you?
I like Ye Jawani Hey Diwani.
That's a nice one. Great songs, too.
Yes, the songs are very cool. Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every evening.
What kind of music do you like?
Soft and slow English songs.
Nice choice.
I like guitar music.
Do you play the guitar?
A little. I am still learning.
Wow, that's cool.
Thank you. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I dance when I'm happy.
That's fun. Dancing keeps you active.
Yes, and it helps my mood too.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read short English stories.
That's good for learning English.
Yes, I learn new words every day.
How long do you study English?
For 1 hour daily.
That's perfect. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, practice helps a lot. Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch simple conversation videos.
That's a good habit. You learn fast.
Thank you.
I enjoy learning.
Do you speak English with friends?
Sometimes, but I feel shy.
Don't worry. Just keep trying.
Yes, I will speak more from now.
Good.
You speak very clearly.
Thank you so much. That means a lot.
You are improving every day.
I hope so. I want to speak fluently.
You will, step by step.
Yes, let's learn together.
Sure, we can help each other.
Okay, let's start a new topic tomorrow.
Good idea. Let's meet again in the morning.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Bye for now.